Hello people of the internet, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to flip this dress into this two-piece set. So as you can see, the bodice and the sleeves on this dress are connected into one seamless pattern. I seam ripped the whole thing apart and it gave me the skirt and the waistband and these two halves of the bodice. I wanted to keep the bottom placket the way it was with the finished edge, so I traced the front part of the pattern without center seam allowance, and I basically just put the edge of the paper right where the two halves of the bodice meet in the middle. I also wanted to keep the finished top edge of the bodice, so I just seam ripped that edge off and then I folded it in where I marked with the pins, so it's more similar to my pattern shape. Then I pinned and sewed the center front and center sides together like this, and I connected the back to it too. From some of the left fabric I made a strap and then I traced the top edge of everybody's pattern, making the pieces only about 5 centimeters tall, and I connected all three pieces together, which created this long stripe, and I pinned and sewed it to the bodice right size facing. I sewed the seam allowance to that stripe, and after I folded it I sewed it down on top. It looked like this after I added the straps. Then I made the last stripe and folded it in half and zigzag stitched the edges. And then I sewed a basting stitch and gathered the whole stripe as much as I could, even though it wasn't long enough, so the gathers weren't as full, but it was okay. And I sewed it to the hem, right size facing, and top stitched it. For the skirt, I marked 4 centimeters from the middle of the waistband on both sides because I needed to take it in 8 centimeters, and I sewed it down. That made the whole waistband shorter. The skirt had 3 seams, and to shorten the waist, to fit the new waistband, I decided to create little pleats at these seams. So at the back seam I marked 2 centimeters on both sides from the middle seam, and then I connected these two marks together to create a little pleat, I pinned it and I sewed it down, and I made smaller pleats at the side seams. And with the right sides together, I sewed the waistband to the skirt waist, and it was done. Hope you guys liked this quick video, and if you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more, and I'll see you next week. Bye!